Hey friends, it's Sunday. You're not supposed to get FedEx packages on Sunday, but they did it again. FabFitFun Winter Box is here, and we are not waiting 1 minute to unbox it for you. You are getting a quick first look at this. Stay till the end if you'd like to see my add-ons, because we're going to try to keep this short and sweet, but I do have, I think, 6 to 8 really nice add-ons this time. If you're interested in FabFitFun, you'll get $10 off your first box with my link. You don't even need a code. That is if you choose the seasonal membership. Let's dive right in and I'll explain things as we go. Yay, this is so exciting. They are using sustainable packaging these days, which I love for FabFitFun, so you've got more of a basic cardboard look to the box. First thing I notice, of course, is the pretty box. It's got a little bit of silver glitter on it, very holiday-ish, and we have Katie Couric on the cover of the magazine this time. All kinds of information inside. I'm gonna put this down here so that I can open it and reference things as we go along. Please pardon any noise. It's hard to kind of fit everything onto the table here, but so excited to show you. Okay, I'm opening up to my customization pages here so that I can talk about the different products that I am going to reveal to you. The first thing that I want to tell you is that if you are a select member, which means you pay annually and you get a discount on your membership, you actually get more customization choices. So if you're a seasonal member, you still get 2 or 3, but if you're a select member, you get 4 or 5. So I'm gonna go through the items that I chose first. I'm gonna try to pull them out of the box first so you can see the things that you get to choose. I have to pull these out first because I'm surprised at how big this is. Look at this, you guys. Have you heard of Mucklucks? These are those cozy wintry slippers. These are one of my choice items. This was customization item number 4, and I got this in the small medium. It looks like you had a choice. Now this was for select members only, so if you upgrade to an annual membership, this is something you could choose. Let's open these beauties up and see. Oh yeah, and they have the little non-stick bottoms right here, which is really cool. Very high quality, and I love the neutral gray. So pretty. I'm excited about these. They're very, very cute. The next item that I customized was this rapid collagen infusion from Murad. Murad is just such a wonderful brand. Now I actually paid $15 extra for this because I had a hard time choosing, and that's something that you get to do. You get to add extra things. This is beautiful. This will be really nice for the bedside table, and it is a collagen rescue type of product. I'm just gonna put that over there so we can keep up the pace. I know that you guys are all anxious to see everything, so we're gonna keep on moving. I did not need another makeup bag. I would say I need another makeup bag like I need another lipstick. You know how that is, right? But this Vera Bradley compact organizer in this gorgeous purpley magenta color was so pretty. I had to get it. If I'm not mistaken, it has a beautiful inside. Yep, this is what did it, guys. I mean, come on. Look at that print. It's so pretty and so luxe. And it has this cute little outside pocket. So what do you think so far? Is it worth it? So far from what you've seen, this is a $49.99 box seasonally. I would say just based on the first 3 products, it's well exceeded $49.99. Okay, adorable. You could put your brushes in here, little hair accessories, rubber bands, scrunchies, things like that, even a lipstick or 2, some bobby pins. This is a gorgeous little organizer. I guess you don't have to use it for makeup, but that's what they're saying that it's for. Okay, the next item that I customized was this Algenist Complete Eye Renewal Balm, because everyone needs more eye creams in their life, especially me. It is my problem area, so anytime I get a really high value eye balm or product, I always grab it for winter, summer, any time of year really. Ooh, I'm loving that. The next item I customized was this Dr. Brandt Pore Purifying Cleanser. This has salicylic acid, which might be a little bit rough on my face, so my husband might be getting this as a gift. This is what we tend to do with the more chemically items in our house, is I give them to him for his facials, and it's kind of a treat. But Dr. Brandt is a wonderful product, very, very popular, very pricey as well. So I think this probably has a very high value. I'm not sure exactly what the value is, but believe me, it's a lot. Okay, what was the next item that I customized? Ooh, I'm excited about this one. This is the Loli Tea Seed Elixir. This was another customization option this time, the Tea Seed Elixir. Oh my goodness sakes. And it looks like you are supposed to apply it day and night to clean damp skin or dry hair, and then follow it with your SPF. So this can be used on your skin or your hair. Love these types of oils for winter. Cannot wait to try that one. I think that was all 6 of my customization items. So the rest of the items in the box are a surprise. Forgot to show you all the goodies in here. It's usually coupons and things like that. I'm not too worried about showing those to you. I know you're more interested in the products. This next item is from DP Hue. I almost purchased this in add-ons and I decided not to. Lucky me, I got it anyway. This is a dry shampoo powder. And I believe that you just kind of put this on your hair before you go to bed. You don't even have to really rub it in. And it's just a wonderful high quality dry shampoo product. I am happy with this because I almost bought it on my own anyway. Ooh, what is this? This next item is the London Town Get Well Nail Recovery. I could use that right now. I just removed my gel polish and my nails are definitely in need of recovery. Oh, that's awesome. So a nice clear nail recovery item for our dry, brittle winter nails. Not complaining about that. Ooh, what is this? Next up is a Wish lip scrub. Ooh, I kind of like the surprises this time. I feel like they did a really good job with the surprises, and these are all items that I would use, so totally worth it. Gently exfoliates, smooths, and softens. It's vanilla bean scented. Let's see if we can open it up. Oh my goodness, that's so holiday-ish and wonderful. Smells nice, and I bet you could just kind of exfoliate using this, and maybe you wouldn't even have to use your fingers. You can just kind of rub it right on. That is so nice. And there's more in this box. I'm loving those slippers though, you guys. Aren't those cute? What are these? Are these scrunchies? Oh, this is so 80s. Look at these little animal print scrunchies. Let's open this up. I can't tell if it's 1 or 2 or how many are in there. Dental hygienist friend, you did not just see that. Pardon the crinkle. Holy moly, guys, it's a pack of 3 little scrunchies. Those are so funny. I feel like this is like a music video from the 80s when I see these. Okay, there's even more in here. Oh, look at that, a cute little bonus item, a Kind Thins bar. Dark chocolate, nuts, and sea salt. Yum, that sounds actually pretty tasty right now. I'm hungry, haven't had lunch yet, so I am excited about that. That was everything in the box. I think that it's absolutely worth $49.99. The product I'm most excited about this time for sure would be those Mucklucks. I think those are cute. There's so many different options that you can customize though. This is absolutely not the limits of the box. I actually just noticed there was another item that came in my box that I think is part of my this is actually part of my FabFitFun box. I don't remember selecting these cutting boards. I don't know if they accidentally got included or if I just maybe selected them and forgot, but this is a set of 4 cutting boards. They're BPA free and dishwasher safe, and they come in 4 colors. Well, these are nice. My husband's probably like, oh great, more stuff for the kitchen, but they're nice and flat, cute little handle on the side, and I could definitely use those. So nice. I'm not sure where they came from, but that's okay. You also, when you're done customizing with FabFitFun, you get to do this thing called Boost. Boost is where you get to purchase an additional item. And I actually, quote unquote, needed one of these. It is an oil diffuser. And I believe that it comes with oil inside. Let's open it up and see what we're looking at here. It has an LED mood light with it. Okay, here's the little cable. Here's the little water filly thing. And let's see what else we have here. Oh, I see the oil down there. Here is the diffuser itself. That's so pretty. Now that we're moving into winter, I'm really excited to diffuse some oils in our home. It came with a vanilla oil. Not my favorite scent, but that is absolutely okay because I can purchase some more of my choice. I actually think I have some orange and some tea tree and things like that. So I'm really excited about that boost. Okay, for those of you who want to stick around to see my add-ons actually happens before you get to go to customization. And this is where you get to buy a bunch of really great discounted products, very high-end beauty, lifestyle, fitness, and makeup and fashion items. It is so much fun. It's very, very tempting to want to get into the shop right when it opens, and I always do. It's always at 9 a.m. Pacific time on a certain date, so watch the website and you can participate next time. Okay, the first item I got was Poo-Pourri because I've recently discovered how amazing this stuff is, and it's really inexpensive to buy it during the add-on sale, so Full disclosure, I like Poo-Pourri. Next up, I got this 2-pack of Tarocco Sicilian Blood Orange shampoo and conditioner. It was an excellent value at $14 for the set, and I love mixing up my shampoo and conditioner routine, so I added these on. Next, I got this mask chain and mask combo, but the mask is missing. I only received the chain. This looks really funny now that I got it, but I'm so tired of my mask having to be taken off every time. With this, you just let it hang down with this chain. So cute. I hope it's not too mature for me, but we'll see. I think it's kind of fun. Next, because you can never have enough makeup sponges, I got this Zoe Ayla Glam Makeup Kit. It has 3 makeup sponges in it, and for the price, I find that the sponges are $7 or $8 a pop, so I just grabbed it. It also has a little makeup brush with it. What kind of makeup brush? Oh, it's a kabuki brush and 3 makeup sponges and a makeup sponge holder. I don't actually own a sponge holder, so I was really excited about that. All right. The next 2 items were the ones I felt like I really scored on. This is Milk Makeup exclusive to Sephora, the matte bronzing stick. I saw a beauty blogger using this on Instagram, but I didn't want to spend the full $30 or so to purchase it. So finally, they had it. And you just put it on kind of naked skin and then blend it in underneath your foundation, over your foundation, whenever you want. Great cult beauty favorite. So I splurged and treated myself to that. I think it was maybe, how much was that? That was $14. What a savings. From the same brand for $12, I got the Milk Makeup Longwear Gel Eyeliner. I love this brand. I've never tried the product, but it was an irresistible find. So how do you think I did? How did you like the box? Do you think it's worth the price? How did you like my add-ons? Let me know down in the comments, and make sure that if you are a first-time FabFitFunner, that you use my link in the description to get $10 off your first seasonal box. Thank you all so much for tuning in for this awesome pop-up, and until next time, get in gear and get cruising.